Friday, and this is your last maths lesson before our half-term holiday. So today we are answering the questions on the efficient multiplication worksheet, and the whole idea of this worksheet is to use multiplication factors that we know to work out more complicated or advanced multiplication questions. So we'll start at number 3. Right, so we have Scott here, who is trying to work out 21 times 4. So what he's done is he started by finding 20 times 4, and he's drawn an array. And here you go, here's your array. We have got 4 rows of 20. So then what he's done is he's crossed out or taken off 4 counters. Can you see that there? And now believes that he has the answer to 21 times 4, which is 76. Now we can see that he's made a mistake, and the question wants us to work out what mistake he's made. So if you look very carefully, what Scott has done is he's actually worked out the answer to 19 times 4, because he's done 20 times 4, subtract 1 times 4, which in effect is 19 times 4. We want 21 times 4, so we needed 20 times 4, add 1 times 4. So what Scott actually needs to do is to draw 4 counters onto the end of the row. So we know that 80 add 4 is 84, which would be our correct answer. So here, where it says what mistake has Scott made, he has taken away 4 instead of added. Right, now we've got Jack. Jack is working out 36 times 9. He has said that 36 times 9 is the same as 36 times 10 take away 1. And when we're taking away 1, we're taking away 1 group of 36. He's got 360, take away 36 is 324. We now got to use that same method to work out 36 times 99. So here it goes. So 36 times 99 is the same as saying 36 times 100 take away 1. So I'm going to do 36 times 100, and then I'm going to subtract 36, which is my 1. So 36 times 100 is 3,600. I am going to subtract 36, and I know that if I had 3,600, and I was to take away 36, my answer would be 3,564, because 3,600 take away 36 is 3,564. Okay, now we've got Esther, and she's found a quick way to multiply 84 by 5. So what we've got to do is look at her method and try and use the same method to work out these 3 questions. Let's have a go. So she's done 84 times 10. Okay, so 84 times 5. She's multiplied it by 10, which is twice as big as it should be, but then she's divided it by 2 to get back to where she should be. So she's used her knowledge of the 10 times table to help her out. So we've got 43 times 5. So we've got 43 times 10, which straight away you will know is 430. If you divide that by 2, I know that half of 400 is 200, and half of 30 is 15. So the answer is 215. Here we have 62 times 5, or 62 times 10 is 620. And if I half that, I'm going to have 310. So it is pretty easy this way. Last one, 74 times 4. So 74 times 10 is 740. Divide that by 2. Well, this is a little bit harder, isn't it? Because you've got 700 and you have 40 if I partition it. Half of 700 is 350. Half of 40 is 20. Put those back together. We have got 370 as our answer. So you need to know how to halve numbers to answer that question using that method. Okay, so now we've got Tommy and Dora, who are both working out 25 times 5. And look, they've both got a different method. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the two different methods and see which one we like best. Now, we look at Tommy first. Tommy has 25 times 8. He's doing 25 times 10, and then he's taken away 25 times 2. So once again, he's using his 10 times table. So 25 times 10 is 250, and then he's taking 2 lots of 25, which is 50. So straight away, he has got the answer of 200. That was pretty easy. Let's try Dora. Dora, rather than doing it that way, is going, well, I want 25 times 8. I'm going to work out 50 times 8, and then I'm going to half it. So 50 times 8 is 510 times 8, which is going to be 40 tens, which is 400. Divide that by 2 is going to give me 200. So what you've now got to discuss is which of those methods you prefer and why. I'm having a look at those two. I'm thinking if that was me, I would probably go for Dora. That's what I like. I would double it first, work out 50 times 8, and then I would half it. What about you? Both methods are fine, and it doesn't matter which one you use, as long as you use one of those methods confidently. Right then, children, that is the end of our maths until half term. When we come back after the holidays, we are going to start using written methods to work out different multiplications, more tricky calculations. So I look forward to going through those with you. Have a lovely half term. Take care. Bye.